Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. Welcome to Makeup Monday. Today I wanted to do something a little bit different. I know that Makeup Mondays are going to be focused on obviously like makeup tutorials and things like that, but I ordered the Wet n Wild Flights of Fancy, this little collection that they launched a few weeks ago, and it's just been sitting there and I was like, you know what, even though it's Makeup Monday, this is makeup. We're going to be testing it out. We're going to see if we like it or not. If you guys are not familiar with this box, it's really inexpensive. It was about $35. And you get a whole bunch of really cool stuff that is limited edition to Wet n Wild. It looks really pretty, really promising. So I decided to just sit down and film this and to test it out and let you guys know if it's worth it, if I think you guys should purchase it or not. So if you guys are interested in seeing how these products perform, then just keep on watching. It comes with a lip scrub, which I'm super excited to try out. It's like a little watermelon one. And then it comes with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Water Spray. I loved this. The only thing that I didn't like is that it sprays very weird. Like it has one of those sprays that it just kind of sprays up and then down, so it was very hard to miss my face. I did apply this before I did my foundation and everything. It comes with 3 eyeshadow palettes, 3 blushes, and then 4 of these lip glosses and 2 of their metallic eyeliners. Let me just say that I absolutely love everything in the collection. Like, even though I haven't tried it, it's just so pretty and like so aesthetically pleasing to look at. Oh my god, the packaging again, the detail on this, you guys see how beautiful like this little hummingbird looks. It's just very detailed. This is the other blush and it is Dare to Soar. This is like super intense pink. I will never ever wear this. This one seems to be more of a rose gold color, but this is the only one that I can literally see myself wearing. So let's try it. This is Hummingbird Height. That's pretty. So it does give you a little bit of a glow to the skin, as you can see. Blush is not a matte blush, and that is just something that I don't like. I don't like them to have any shimmer to them, just because I do like to bring my blush all the way here, and I do have pretty large pores, and anything that is shimmery or anything that has this kind of finish will definitely emphasize my pores, and I am not here for it, honey. These are the shadows, and again, these are all limited edition. This whole thing is limited edition. This one is called Stop Ruffling My Feathers. That is your crease color. That is the brow bone color. That's the eyelid color, and this one has, it kind of like shifts. It's the transition color right here. This one I think is going to be one of my favorites. This one is called Hasta la Costa Baby, which is super cute. I love this eyelid color. I think I'm going to try and use this. Oh my god, yes, that is the eyelid color. Okay, I'm definitely going to use this. I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can get a very good view of the eyes, and you can see if they blend well, if they don't, yada yada yada. So I'm going to take this palette and go in with this transitional shade, and I'm just going to apply it onto here. Okay. No pigment. Yeah, this is not showing up whatsoever. What I ended up doing is taking this shade from the Wet n Wild palette. This is the Not a Basic Peach palette. These palettes are amazing. All I did is I took a fluffy brush and I just started adding that to the crease to create a little bit more depth. That looks so much better. These palettes are so bomb. These are actually really pretty. I'm going to take a little bit of my Makeup Revolution concealer, and obviously I'm going to clean up the crease. Now I'm going to go into this palette. This is the Hasta la Costa Baby. I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer Water Spray. And we're just going to apply it to the lids. Oh my god, this is such a gorgeous color. Oh my god. I'm gagging. Wow. This color has to be my favorite out of these entire palettes. You need this palette just for this color. I'm going back into this palette and I'm going to take this really deep, rich color, and all I did was I added it to the outer corners of the eye just so I can get a little bit more definition and depth. And all I'm doing now is just really working those colors together so I don't see any harsh lines, because that drives me absolutely insane. I'm going to show you guys really quick some eyeliners. I'm going to try and use one of these. This one is in the shade Gilded Wings, and I'm guessing it's going to be a gold color. Ooh, that's pretty. That is the color right there. And then the other one is in the shade Winged and Wild, and I'm guessing this one's going to be more of a green. Oh my god, that is such a pretty color. I love this green. Okay, but I'm going to use a little bit of this gold one. I'm going to add it on to the lid as an accent. That is so pretty. So the eyes are pretty much done. I do want to add some inner corner highlights because y'all know I can't live without an inner corner highlight. So I'm gonna go into this palette and we're going to be picking up this color right here through the inner corner. The very last thing that I'm going to be swatching and wearing are the Color Icon lip glosses. Now the first one is called Pout of Paradise, and it's a beautiful bright orange. I really thought this was going to be more of a like brown nude. The next shade is called Fly Gal. I went a little crooked on that. Yeah, forgive my swatch, but that is Fly Gal, which is a super baby pink. The next color is Shut the Pluck Up. These names are so clever. Ooh, this one's pigmented. I'm not big on glosses with deep shades. I really just love like nude glosses, but we'll make it work. And then the last one is called Featherless, which is that top shade, a peachy pink color. I applied some lipstick. I wore my favorite combo, which is the Italian lip liner and light brown, and then the Makeup Revolution lipstick and Inspiration. Now I'm gonna add a gloss, and I think I'm gonna go in with this one. Maybe I will mix these two because I really wanted to wear this one, but it's a tad bit too orange. So let's give it a go, shall we? Ooh, okay. I didn't think I was gonna like this gloss because it looked really light, but with this lip combo, yes, that's really pretty. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of this just to bring a little bit of like peachiness into the look. So my overall thoughts and opinions on this Flights of Fancy box or limited edition packaging, whatever you want to call it, from Wet n Wild. I really did like the eyeshadow palettes. I think these are great. The transitional shades, the matte shades are not good at all. But to me, it is worth purchasing these palettes because I know they're going to be super inexpensive. And plus, I mean, this color was everything. The purple shade, I'm sure it's going to be gorgeous. The blushes, unfortunately, I am going to have to pass on these because I just don't see myself wearing them. Again, this is just not the colors that I gravitate towards. The lip glosses are really nice. I mean, they look really pretty on the lips. I don't know about this color, if I can ever wear this color. Crap, you guys, I totally forgot to use this. I was going to use it before I put on my lipstick, but oh well. I'm going to have to save this for another video. I'm going to smell it. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't and become part of my familia. Thank you guys for joining me today. I love you and I will see you in my next video. Bye.